Today I'm going to show you how to translate using the Microsoft Excel in different languages. So this is one example that I'm changing the language and the output from the one language to the another. So on the left hand side, if you can see, I'm translating from the English words, what is your name, to different language like Hindi and the German. What you need to do, you have to select the text that you need to translate, and on the review tab you have to navigate to review tab and select the translate button. Once you select the translate, it will prompt you translate selected text using the third-party translation service provider by the Microsoft. You can click on yes. Once you click on yes, it will pop up the different languages over here, and the options what you need to do here, like you have to use some dictionaries or the treasures whatever you have, or you can choose the translation. The translation, we are translating it into Hindi now, so I'll select Hindi. So it will automatically pull out from the dictionary and the online translator. You can simply copy here or insert directly to the text box. Now if you want to translate the next one, I can go again back to translate, but it is the same text, so I can easily select to German. So you can see it is operating over here. Now I can simply insert it. So this is how you can translate it with the different languages available with the Microsoft Excel. So similar way, if I want to choose in a Danish, so what I'll do, I'll click here as a Danish, and put the text as a and this, and select the translate. It will automatically detect the language, what is the language over here, or you can simply choose language in this. The native language is the German, and to Danish, or vice versa. Or what I can do, I can simply use the same wordings, so you can see whether it will translate or not. So it will not automatically detect whatever you want, but you have to sometimes choose over here. That might be a limitation of the language, but yes, from the German to Danish, if I want to choose what is your name, vad är ditt namn as a translation, and I'll select this and select insert into Danish. So let's use this effectively to if you want to use any translation related work. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe my channel.